Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission was supposed to be a game-changer. More gears, better fuel economy, faster acceleration, smoother shifting. That was the promise. But today, thousands of truck owners are asking a very different question. Is Ford's 10-speed transmission one of the best modern truck transmissions ever built, or one of the most controversial? Some drivers say they have driven more than 150,000 miles without a single problem. Others report hard shifts, hesitation, gear hunting, unexpected downshifts, and expensive repair bills. So who's right? Is the Ford 10-speed unfairly criticized, or are the complaints warning signs that buyers should take seriously? In this video, we're breaking down both sides of the Ford 10-speed debate. We'll look at what experts say, what owners are experiencing in the real world, and why opinions remain so divided years after the transmission first arrived. And before the end, we'll reveal the one factor that may explain why some drivers love it, while others absolutely hate it. Let's get started. The story begins in 2017. Ford introduced the 10R80 10-speed automatic transmission across several popular vehicles, including the F-150, Expedition, Mustang, Ranger, and other models. Interestingly, this wasn't a transmission Ford developed entirely on its own. Ford and General Motors collaborated on the basic design, creating a transmission platform that both companies could adapt for their own vehicles. The goal was simple. More gears allow the engine to stay in its optimal power band more often. That means better fuel efficiency, improved towing performance, and stronger acceleration. On paper, the idea made perfect sense. In many cases, it delivered exactly what engineers promised. Compared with older 6-speed automatics, the 10-speed helped improve fuel economy while also providing quicker response when drivers needed power. Many reviewers praised the transmission when it first launched, but then owner reports started appearing. Some drivers noticed rough shifts between gears. Others described sudden jerks while accelerating or slowing down. Some reported delayed engagement when shifting into drive. And some owners said their trucks occasionally felt confused about which gear they wanted. This is where the debate really began. Supporters of the transmission argue that many of these characteristics are simply part of how modern adaptive transmissions work. Unlike older automatics, today's transmissions constantly learn driver behavior. The transmission control module adjusts shift patterns based on driving style, road conditions, towing loads, and other factors. According to many technicians, what feels unusual to one driver may actually be normal operation. Several Ford service bulletins have explained that certain shift behaviors are expected characteristics rather than defects. Many owners report that software updates improved shifting quality significantly. For these drivers, the transmission performs exactly as intended, but critics aren't convinced. Some owners argue that the problems go beyond normal adaptive behavior. They point to repeated visits to dealerships, transmission replacements, valve body repairs, and ongoing drivability concerns. Online forums are filled with stories from drivers who say the transmission never felt right, even after multiple software updates. This has led to lawsuits, investigations, and years of discussion throughout the truck community. So what do the experts think? Transmission specialists often take a more balanced view. Many experts acknowledge that the Ford 10-speed is actually a sophisticated and capable transmission design. The internal architecture itself is generally considered advanced and efficient. However, some specialists believe the biggest challenge has been software calibration. Modern transmissions rely heavily on computer programming. A small change in shift logic can dramatically alter how a transmission feels. That's why software updates have become such an important part of ownership. Some experts compare today's transmissions to smartphones. The hardware may be solid, but software determines much of the user experience. When calibration isn't perfect, drivers notice immediately. Another factor often overlooked is vehicle application. The same basic 10-speed transmission is used in multiple vehicles with different engines, weights, towing capacities, and driving purposes. A transmission that feels excellent behind one engine may feel very different behind another. This helps explain why owner experiences can vary so dramatically. Towing performance is another area where opinions differ. Many truck owners praise the 10-speed for towing heavy trailers. The additional gears allow the engine to maintain power more efficiently on hills and during acceleration. Instead of making large jumps between gears, the transmission can select ratios more precisely. This often results in better control while towing. Several automotive reviewers have specifically highlighted this advantage. For heavy-duty truck users, the extra gears can be a real benefit. Yet some critics argue that having so many gears creates unnecessary complexity. More gears mean more shifting decisions. In certain driving situations, especially stop-and-go traffic, some drivers feel the transmission is constantly searching for the ideal gear. This phenomenon, often called gear hunting, remains one of the most common complaints. Reliability is perhaps the biggest question of all. The reality is that many Ford 10-speed transmissions have accumulated high mileage successfully. There are numerous examples of trucks reaching well over 100,000 miles with minimal issues. At the same time, documented cases of repairs and failures certainly exist. This creates a difficult situation for consumers. When one owner reports flawless operation and another reports major problems, both experiences can be genuine. The challenge is determining how common each outcome really is. Consumer experiences often vary based on driving habits, maintenance history, software versions, production dates, and vehicle configurations. That's why sweeping conclusions are difficult. One interesting observation from independent mechanics is that transmission fluid maintenance may play a larger role than many owners realize. Although modern transmissions are often marketed as requiring minimal maintenance, many experts still recommend periodic fluid service under demanding conditions. Keeping fluid clean and at proper levels can help support long-term durability. As we look toward future Ford trucks, the company continues refining transmission calibration and software. Newer model years have received updates aimed at improving overall drivability. Ford clearly believes the 10-speed remains a critical part of its truck strategy. And despite the controversy, many competing manufacturers are also using transmissions with 8, 9, or even 10 speeds. The industry trend is clear. More gears are here to stay. So where does that leave us? The Ford 10-speed debate continues because both sides have valid arguments. Supporters point to strong towing capability, improved efficiency, excellent performance, and many examples of long-term reliability. Critics point to rough shifting, drivability complaints, repair experiences, and ongoing concerns reported by some owners. The truth likely exists somewhere in the middle. The Ford 10-speed is neither the disaster some critics claim, nor the flawless masterpiece some supporters describe. Instead, it's a complex modern transmission that delivers impressive benefits while also generating legitimate concerns for certain owners. And that brings us back to the question we asked at the beginning. Is Ford's 10-speed transmission one of the best truck transmissions available today, or one of the most controversial? Now it's your turn. Have you owned a Ford with the 10-speed automatic? What has your experience been like? Smooth and reliable? Or frustrating and problematic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because this debate is far from over, and your real-world experience may help future buyers make the right decision.